Another one, look at them searching still.
Searching for someone. Hey everyone, Tucson Lori. I do not believe I went live this time. I'm actually doing static. Got a helicopter up here that we're tracking, as well as these officers. Sorry, honey. Excuse me. So we got cops down here with their SWAT searchlights on. They're still searching for someone. We got cops over there searching.
They're taking off, they're searching. So we should probably follow them.
Yeah, here comes this cop right here, so we should keep walking. Let's keep walking. Should we go this way? To fuck them up?
Let's go back to your car, yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
That way we can follow this. What do you think? Should we just go over there real quick?
Let's walk down here. Fuck it. You don't have a piece of gum in your pocket, do you? Okay. Mm-hmm. Go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think. And then we've seen maybe 2 or 3 leave. There goes another one. They're out searching for someone. They can't seem to find him. They're bottoming him out some shit and stuff, so. Yeah, they doubt if they're gonna want to talk about it, I'm sure. Yeah, so Friday night in Tucson. This is how it goes down. They got the helicopter out. We saw at least 9 cars. I think it was actually up to 13, but many of the cars are spreading out and going out to search. Not sure what they're searching for. We actually saw this one with our eyes and saw the helicopter and followed that this way. Kinds of cherries and berries. See the helicopter, I can still hear it going around out here. So sorry, excuse me, sir. Six, 7, 8, 10. There's at least 10 here right now, 10 cop cars that I can count. And I have seen 3 drive away so far, so there was to 13. It looks like Charro's having a good interaction down there, the female officer, so it's always great to see. Make my way a little bit this way. These gentlemen walk by without feeling threatened, so I'm just going to lean back against the wall. So I no longer hear the helicopter. Did they say anything? Did they find them?
They didn't want to tell me what was up. They said it was nothing, no.
Nothing, but it has 13 cop cars here. There's 10 right now, plus the 3 that left.
Plus the ghetto bird.
It's nothing, yeah, plus the ghetto bird, but it's nada. So, as you can see, that was apparently nothing, even though there's 13 cop cars and a helicopter in the sky. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this real quick in case there needs to be a part 2. I don't hear the helicopter going anymore, so I'm not sure what that means. They didn't want to give us any information. Okay, guys, this is Tucson Lori, over and out.